back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious coconut pecan fresh water that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. It's very creamy, very refreshing, and you know something, it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Granulated sugar, pecans, 1 coconut, coconut extract, coconut milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing agua fresca. So let's get started. I am ready to start with making my simple syrup. I have my saucepan here. I'm adding my granulated sugar and my water. And now I am ready to take it to the stove and start melting away the sugar. Look at this. You could see that on the bottom of the saucepan, you could see the granulated sugar. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes before you start seeing the water getting nice and cloudy. And that's a good sign. That's a sign that the sugar is getting dissolved completely. After this step, the water starts getting nice and clear, just like that. And now the simple syrup is completely done. I'm going to go ahead, remove it from the stove, and let it cool down. So when I'm ready to use it. And now I'm going to start with my coconut. I took the skin off of the coconut already, and I'm only cutting the center to get the coconut water out. I'm going to get my larger cup and I'm going to pour all the delicious coconut water. And you know something? It has a lot of coconut water. Okay, now I am ready to remove it. And now I'm going to make sure that I take all the skin completely off. All those little brown spots that it has, I'm going to remove them slowly so I don't remove the pulp. This step is important because you want to make sure that you don't remove the pulp. Once this is done, well, now I am ready to slice through it and start cutting the coconut in little pieces. Look at this. The coconut pulp is very soft, very tender, and very flexible. Okay, I'm going to continue slicing the rest. And now I am ready to add it to my blender cup. To this, I am going to add the pecans. I'm going to add enough water to blend it. And let's blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want to make sure that the coconut and the pecans are blended completely. Once this is done, okay, this is completely done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put it aside while I continue mixing the milks. I have here the coconut water. I'm going to add the condensed milk. I'm going to add the evaporated milk. And I'm going to add the coconut milk. This is the evaporated, the coconut milk. And let me whisk completely to incorporate all the milks. Once this is done, I'm going to add some of my simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. I'm going to add a splash of the coconut extract. Oh my gosh, this tastes amazing. Now I'm ready to prepare my pitcher. And of course, I'm going to be very generous and I'm going to add a lot of ice. And now I'm ready to pour the delicious coconut mixture in here. This agua fresca comes out amazing. Look at this. Now I am ready to prepare my glass and enjoy it with my family. But first, I need to prepare the presentation. Look how this came out. I garnished some coconut on the top, and I have my glass here, and now I'm ready to pour. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. With this delicious coconut pecan agua fresca. I hope you give it a try, make it at home. I know that your family is going to love it, especially in this hot weather. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Nice and cold. Really refreshing. You could still feel the little specks of the coconut. This just came out amazing. You know something, once you make it at home, your family is really going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this delicious aguas fresca. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.